Good morning, people. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I wanted to show you something I made. Ready? I call this the tabletop TiKi torch. As you can see, it's built into a Foster's beer can. It's loaded with cement, so it stays where you put it. Got that? It stays where you put it. Wherever you put it. It's some goofy idea I had. That was fun. I thought when I go out to the desert to go dirt riding, I could add a little festivities to the party. I've seen tabletop TiKi's, or something they call tabletop TiKi's on eBay, which are light, little, delicate bamboo type stuff. Look like they weigh about 7 ounces, and they're pretty, and they're TiKi's, and they're wonderful if you're a girl. But you can even stack these on your propane bottle wherever you put it. They stand up. They probably weigh about 7 pounds a piece. And I just thought it was fun. Haven't had a chance to take them to the desert yet, but we use them at our barbecues here at home once in a while. So just wanted to show you. I got a bunch more. Anybody want to have a party? Okay.